Okay. Now, hey guys, welcome back to Elvis Car Reviews. I hope that every single one of you is having a beautiful day. In today's video, we are going to talk about my 1-year ownership of my 2019 Audi RS5. So let's talk about maintenance. This car, the only maintenance I've done to the car was replacing the oil. With the RS5, you only do the oil change once a year or 10,000 miles, whichever comes first. I've only done the oil change once, which cost me about $100. And the other maintenance item was swapping out my winter tires with my summer tires, which each time I did it was $100 each time, so $200. Taking the winter tire off and putting the summer tire on, and vice versa, because when I bought the car it had winter tires on. I had to take them off and put the summer tires, so it cost me $100 to do it. And then when the winter started, I replaced the tires. I put back the winter tire on, which cost me $100. So after 1 year of ownership, total amount of money spent on the car beside gas is $300. $100 for the oil change, and then $200 to change the tire. That's it. The car has been pretty reliable. Nothing else has gone wrong. Even though I haven't driven the car all that much. I mean, it's not my daily driver, so I don't drive it that often, only when I'm going out to race or on special occasions. So I haven't put that many miles on the car either. So far the car has been very reliable, and hopefully it stays that way. The car is still stock because I'm concerned about modifying it, or rather undecided if I should modify it. Like, which route should I take? Should I go the APR route or Unitronic? Or, you know, there is quite a lot of different options for the Audi RS5, but very few modified Audi RS5 out there, so you can't really benefit from someone else's experience. That's why I've been a little reluctant to modify this RS5, but I will do it eventually, actually. So that's it about the maintenance and then the future plan for the car. There are a few things that I've noticed during my 1 year ownership. I mean, during the winter month especially, the TPMS, so tire pressure monitor system, went crazy. I mean, it kept saying there is, you know, a fault in the tires, like one tire had low pressure, and when I checked, it wasn't the case. I don't know if it's because the place where I'm storing the car has some concrete floor rather than wood floor. Maybe that's why, because it's not a heated garage either, so maybe that's why. Because every time I came to turn on the car, I had the tire pressure monitor sensor on. I had to manually turn it off, and with Audi you just don't press a button. You have to go inside the MMI system and then verify manually verify the tire pressure of each tires, and then it will reset it for you. But I mean, I got so tired to reset it every time, I left it like that. And then eventually, as the weather warmed up a bit, it just went away. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you are stopping by for the first time, do not forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next upload.